Pleased to have you here, everyone. The best
Dry shampoos
are listed below for online purchase. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find this article useful so we can make more top 10 videos in the future.
So you can apply this actually pre-workout, which is very exciting. So to even like stop that sweat and stop that wetness in your hair, so you come out with that fresher kind of feel. This will help add volume, and it also keeps the shine, which is really, really good.
This is the LUVCIRCUS-Powdered Sugar Shampoo. It helps to absorb the excess oil from your hair. Make sure to spray it about 5 inches from your head, focusing on the root area. Then you're going to take the tips of your fingers and blend it in just like this. Not only does it smell amazing, it's made with clean, natural ingredients and adds a touch of volume and texture.
I am better than I've been whenever you're around. Oh, you're looking at me unconditionally. Oh, your voice cuts through to me in every single crowd. And I know you love me till the sky falls. When I'm play with me. When I'm play with me.
Make your blowout last for days with one of our all-time best sellers, Detox Dry Shampoo. Its super absorbent formula eliminates oils and impurities. It'll add body and leave your hair looking and feeling fresh and clean with a matte finish. And it's great for all hair types. Detox is made with microfine rice powders, which absorb oils and eliminate odors. Plus, the rice powders expand to provide lift at the roots. Detox comes in 3 scents. Original with notes of jasmine, sandalwood, and vanilla. Lush with notes of violet, sandalwood, and musk. And coconut colada for that tropical beachy vibe. To use, just give it a shake, then lift small sections of hair and spray a few inches from the scalp. Lift and spray, lift and spray. Then gently blend with your fingers and brush through. Repeat all the way around your head. You'll love what a little detox can do. Its super absorbent formula, it'll add body and leave your hair looking and feeling fresh. Detox is made with which absorb odors. Detox comes in 3 scents. Original with notes of jasmine, sandalwood, and vanilla. Lush with notes of violet, sandalwood, and musk. And coconut colada for that tropical beachy vibe. To use, then lift small sections of hair and lift and spray. Gently blend with your fingers all the way around your head. You'll love it.
I'll take the dry shampoo and I'll just lightly spray this into my roots. Then I shake it into my roots really good. My curls now will last through day 2, day 3, day 4, and so on.
No time to wash? Grab Drop Dead Gorgeous dry shampoo powder instead. Sprinkle a little on those roots, blend with a brush or your fingers, style as usual, and enjoy that freshly washed and styled feel and look.